Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning, 17-inch black wheels with polished lip, LED tail lamps, a tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 17,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, ALPINE 9-speaker premium audio system, removable rear quarter windows, split folding rear seats, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5278A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.